Need to update the URL behind your Bitly link? It's straightforward, especially for paid subscribers. This section will guide you through the process. First, log into your Bitly account via the web dashboard or mobile app, iOS, Android. Locate the link you want to modify. Paid users, Premium and Enterprise, starting at $29 a month and $99 a month respectively, will see an edit option. Click it and you can change the destination URL field to your new target. Remember to test the new URL before saving to ensure it loads correctly and isn't a broken or malicious link. Bitly's system logs these changes, creating an audit trail for security. Free users, however, cannot edit links post-creation. They must delete and recreate, losing valuable analytics in the process. This limitation is a key incentive for upgrading to a paid plan, as editing offers dynamic link management. Changing a link's destination requires caution to prevent security risks. Always verify you own or have edit rights to the link via your Bitly dashboard. Before making changes, back up the original URL and thoroughly test the new destination for functionality, load time, and accurate content. When updating, ensure the new URL is HTTPS secured. After the change, monitor click-through rates and referral sources in Bitly's analytics to confirm the update's effectiveness. Avoid frequent changes, as this can devalue the link with search engines. Crucially, verify the new URL is not phishing-related or violates Bitly's terms of service. Bitly uses AI-powered algorithms to scan for blacklisted domains, but human oversight is vital. For example, during Black Friday 2024, Shopify used Bitly's editing feature to redirect promotional links to flash sale URLs in real time, boosting CTR by 50% without losing link shares.